Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix most Windows Media Player errors. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Start menu and going to Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Apps, then select Installed Apps. Use the search bar to search for Media. When Media Player appears, click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Terminate section and click Terminate to completely close the app. Then continue to the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait while Windows repairs the application. After that, click Reset, then confirm by selecting Reset again. Once the reset process is complete, close the Settings window and launch Windows Media Player to see if the issue has been resolved. If you're still having problems, open Settings again and select System from the left menu. Scroll down and click Optional Features, then select the View Features button. In the search box, type Windows Media Player Legacy. Select it from the results and click Remove. Wait for Windows to uninstall the feature completely. After the removal is finished, click View Features again and search for Windows Media Player Legacy. Select it from the list, click Add, and allow Windows to download and reinstall the required files. Depending on your internet speed and computer performance, this process may take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, open Windows Media Player again. Reinstalling the legacy feature can resolve many common playback and application-related issues. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.